Number 3, we want to add these and make it come out to equal 1 over n. So what do? Well, the key is this. You've got to make the denominators all the same, because once the denominators are all the same, we just have to concentrate on the top parts and get them all equal. So let's get the denominators all the same. So 2, 6, and a 1, basically. What's the biggest thing? 6. So we need to make them all become 6s. How am I going to make him become a 6? I'm going to multiply by 3, which means I multiply this guy by 3. How to make this guy become a 6? I'm going to multiply him by a 6 and him by a 6. So everybody's number is a 6 now. Now, he has an n. He's an n squared. He's an n. Everybody's got to become an n squared. So I need to multiply him by an n, which means the top will get multiplied by n. I need to multiply this guy by an n, so his top gets multiplied by an n. Now, every one of the bottoms is a 6n squared. So up top, we have a 9n plus, this is already a 6n squared and a 5, equals, over here we have a 6n on top over a 6n squared. So since the bottoms are all 6n squareds, we can sort of just ignore. Technically, you can imagine that we're coming through and multiplying the entire thing by a 6n squared, which is going to cancel every one of those bottom pieces out. And it would leave you with a 9n plus 5 equals 6n. So basically, all we have to do is get the denominators exactly the same, and then we simply set the top equation and solve it. Now I can solve for n. Well, I'm going to move my n over to the other side. Subtract 9n, subtract 9n. 5 is equal to a negative 3n. Divide by negative 3, and there's our answer. N will equal negative 1 and 2/3 on your calculator, obviously negative 1.6 repeating. And there's our answer for number 3.